Use of the. The is an article. Brought is used in everyday language. For example, this is a sun. The sun rises in east. This is a bus. The bus runs on the road. This is a ship. The ship sails on the sea. This is a boy. The boy is singing a song. This is a house. The house is very beautiful. Use of this and that. We use this when the object is near. We use that when the object is far. This is a cat. That is a lion. This is a pen. That is a book. This is a hat. That is a fan. This is a car. That is a bus. This is a cup. That is a plate. This is a ring. That is a kite. Use of one and many. One bell, many bells. One shirt, many shirts. One car, many cars. One table, many tables. One book, many books. One boy, many boys. One chair, many chairs.